Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll be creating a logo for PVC Wire Manufacturers. Before we start, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. To begin with the process, we need a brief from the client. So, what I got here is company name, Bansal Electrical Industries. Tagline, PVC insulated wires and cables. Color, red, black, green. Which is not enough to proceed forward. So, I decided to ask them about their competitors. And luckily, I got the way to start. I went on their website and got to know that almost all of them are using combination mark. And I started creating sketches with 3 initials, which is B, E, and I. As you can see, I created 3 concepts and finalized the third one, which was the best of all. Let's start creating it in Adobe Illustrator. First I will create B, using rectangle tool. Create 2 rectangles and make a B like this. After that, using pen tool, I'll create another rectangle along with B. Then I'll create a line in the center of this rectangle to make it look like our sketch. Now, curve the bottom right corner as shown. After that, convert it into shape by expanding it. Now create a square at the top right corner and remove the unnecessary part using Shape Builder tool by creating 2 small rectangles. I'll add another square to the end of the eye, to make it look like PVC wires, and fill color into it. Now I will create word mark for Bansal Electrical Industries, keeping in mind that it can be used independently. I'll use PVC font for main text and Montserrat for tagline. There we go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.